Beethoven Delvale Bunagan, born December 17, 1969. Known professionally as Michael V and nicknamed Bitoy, is a Filipino actor, comedian, and recording artist. He is a regular cast member of the GMA Network show Bubble Gang 1995 present and plays the lead role in Pepito Manaloto 2010 present. He remains an exclusive talent of GMA Network, having renewed his exclusive contract on March 11, 2024. Michael V was born at Clinica de la Rosa in Malate, Manila to Cesar Felix Bunagan and Melba Balanzo Delvale. His father named him after German composer Ludwig van Beethoven upon seeing a copy of Beethoven's LP in his boss' office, not knowing that Beethoven is a surname. The nickname Bitoy was taken from a children's show character played by comedian Bentot. When Bentot, as Bitoy, guested in Escapades, then high school student Beethoven saw it and began mimicking Bentot's voice in school. His classmates then called him Bitoy, to which the nickname stuck to this day. Michael ranked on the list of most popular comedian. Also ranked in the A-Lit list of famous people born in Philippines. He is known as the Weird Al Yankovic of the Philippines for his satirical and weird take on things. He is also known for his parodies of popular songs and movies. He finished his secondary education in Manila Science High School. Michael V later earned a degree in mass communications from the Pamantasan NG Lungsod NG Manila. He joined a lot of contests on TV. In one contest in Eat Bulaga, Judge Ogie Alcacid turned him down. Later, Michael V became a co-host of Eat Bulaga, and Ogie Alcacid became one of his close friends and co-star in the long-running Bubble Gang and Tropang Trumpo. During the popularity of Andrew E., the song Human Apka NG Pangit became wildly popular. The then-unsigned Beethoven composed a reply song entitled Maganda ANG Pilian Aoko NG Pangit. At that time, Octorts was then inviting Michael V's female friend and rapping partner, Diane, to submit a demo tape. In that demo tape, Michael V's Maganda ANG Pilian was accidentally included. He and Diane got individual recording contracts. Michael V's song and its accompanying album became a hit. The song gained heavy radio airplay, and he went on to release more albums as a rapper in 1992 and 1994. Upon entering show business, he and his manager were deciding a stage name for his career as a rapper. Back then, the most popular Filipino rappers were Andrew E. and Francis M., so they opted for a similar stage name, Michael V, after Michael Jackson and Gary V., Michael V's favorite international and local artists respectively. Michael V's first feature film appearance was in Regal Films' comedy film, Banana Split Top, billed by Joey Marquez. He eventually gained prominence when Octorts films started to include him alongside Vic Sato, Ogie Alcacid, Francis Magalona, among others. He and his wife, Carol, Have for Children, Milo, Yanni, Migo, and Maypal. In August 2013, he was hospitalized for dengue fever, according to actor Ogie Alcacid tweet. Both Alcacid and Michael V solicited prayers and platelet donations. The following days, Michael V tweeted about his recovery and thanked his fans for prayers and support. On July 20th, 2020, Michael V announced he had tested positive for COVID-19 on his blog, and by August 11th, he confirmed his recovery. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.